The Gavel Club of the University of Colombo is in the process of making history. Oration 2016, an intra-university best speaker competition, is happening in the University of Colombo for the first time. And today we are witnessing the initial rounds of it. We are having the preliminary rounds at the Faculty of Science, the UCSC and the Faculty of Law. So we, the FOSS Media, as the official media unit of the Faculty of Science, University of Colombo, will be giving you all the updates. So why don't we go ahead and see what's happening? Let's go. Now we are at the UCSC mini auditorium and we have a few contestants who are about to take part. First of all, what's your name?
I'm Situmi.
So how do you feel right now?
A little excited and nervous.
Is this your first time taking part?
It's my first time in a competition.
What's your name? Okay, so are you excited? Are you nervous?
Yeah, a lot.
I know you, so I'm pretty sure you're not nervous.
I am nervous, but I'm also looking forward to the experience because it's my first time at a university level. So I'm hoping to give it a good shot.
Why don't you tell us a bit about how do you feel about oration?
Yes, Navodaya, it's indeed a great pleasure to be a part of the first speech contest in the University of Colombo. I'm a bit nervous too. Anyway, looking forward to the experience.
And how about you? Are you feeling nervous?
Strangely enough, I'm not, but when I go through the door, I know I'll get really excited. But now I'm really looking forward to it.
Okay, so good luck to all of you guys. I have Ketmi, who just took part in Oration 2016. So Ketmi, how do you feel right now?
I'm a bit relieved because I did my speech a while back and it was good. It was a nice experience.
Is this your first time taking part in such a competition?
Because I took part in competitions when I was in school, but this is on a big scale, so I was a bit scared.
Do you think you'll win?
Yeah, hopefully we'll hope for the best.
So good luck, Ketmi. So I have a really good speaker with me right now. This is Anudha from the Faculty of Science. So Anudha, what do you think about the whole experience of being a part of Oration 2016?
Oration is basically creating an opportunity where everybody can come up there and get the experience of public speaking. Because if you don't speak, you're not going to get better at it. Many of the competitors who took part today, they are first-time speakers, and that experience is going to give them a huge confidence boost in the years to come, because they have done it. They were here and they have done what they thought was impossible. So yeah, that's what the whole experience of oration means to me.
That's great advice indeed. So thank you very much, Anudha, and I wish you all the very best. Well, we have Zaitun from the law faculty, and I was actually listening to her speech and it was really good, and she had a nice element of humor to her speech. So like, what do you think about your speech?
Like I said in my speech, I'm a pessimist, so I don't really expect much. But well, if it goes well, good enough.
What do you think about this whole program, whole thing about oration?
It's a very helpful thing. Law students or even university students in general have to learn to express themselves. A lot of them just study and they don't, get to other stuff. So it's a very good medium for them to learn these things.
So thank you very much. So I wish you all the very best for the future, guys. With me, I have Fadil, the project chairperson of Oration 2016. So Fadil, how are you feeling right now? You seem so busy right now.
I mean, this has been going on for months, sleepless nights, and it's been quite a stressful process. So yeah, we're doing it for the first time, so it's a huge step from the Gavel Club.
So Fadil, what inspired you to do this program, do this event for the university?
When we first started the Gavel Club last year, 2014, we wanted to give a chance for the undergraduates here, an opportunity for them to come up and hear their voices. So this is what inspired us.
Okay, very good. And what do you think about participation today? Because I see a huge crowd today. So
first of all, I only wanted 20 people, more than 20 people to take part so that we can at least have a semi-finals. When I checked the registration, we had 120 people from 8 faculties.
So, what are the next steps of oration?
We'll be selecting top 20 for the semi-finals, and then they'll be going on for a workshop. That workshop is open for everyone, which is on the 2nd of March. And then moving on, we'll be having our semi-finals on the 12th of March. And from that, we'll be selecting top 5, which will go on for the finals. And the finals will be on the 17th, which we are hoping to have in a grand finale style.
Also, like, is there anyone who you like to thank for, to make this event possible?
First of all, I'd like to thank Madam Asoka Ramanayaka for initiating the club. It was her dream and vision that inspired us to join her in starting the Gava Club. Then I would like to thank my team, from President Farha to everyone else out there, for giving the support for starting Oration 2016. And then Toastmaster Suvita Karunanayaka for being instrumental in providing us with the panel of judges. So, and then other than that, I would like to thank CodeGen and People's Bank for being our main sponsors.
Okay, so thank you very much, Father. So I wish you all the very best. Now I have Shenali from the Faculty of Science who just finished giving her speech. So may I ask you, like, how do you feel right now?
Well, the speech went well, and I'm very happy at the moment. So public speaking is my passion. Since my childhood, I have loved it. So at the moment, I'm a proud Gavilian.
Okay, so you are a part of the Gavel Club. So what do you think about this whole program of Oration 2016?
Well, I think it's a really good move done by Gavel Club, since it's the very first time that the University of Colombo is conducting an English speech competition. It's a great opportunity for all the undergraduates to move out of their comfort zones and try something new. So I think this is just the initial step. So into the future, we will be moving on to inter-university probably, and I'm looking forward for that.
Okay, so with regard to this competition, do you think you'll win?
Well, let's hope for the best and let the best person win.
Okay, so all the very best, Shenali. So with me, I have Farha, the president of the Gavel Club of the University of Colombo. So Farha, what do you think about today's event?
It was hectic, as you all know, because we were running around with the entire university to do the work. But at the end of the day, the outcome was really good, because when we talked with the judges, they were really happy about the contestants, and they said there were some minor issues, but when you work on it, the selected semi-finalists and the preliminary contestants were really good. So I'm rather happy about it.
That's great. I've been talking to a few of the contestants, and well, they were really excited about this. So, and apart from Oration, what sort of future plans does the Gavel Club of UOC has?
Okay, we started last year basically, and we were trying to do the manuals we got from the Toastmasters International, but we couldn't actually do it because we were still starting stages. But this year we are totally focusing on having all the at least few of our members to complete the manuals, so they could get the certificate as the completed Gaveliers. And we were also planning to have the induction ceremony for the year, so the new freshers would be welcome to the club. And there are some other events as well. We are planning to have some workshops on the evaluation, how to do a proper evaluation for a speech and stuff. And basically, I think there are lots of plans going on. We are planning to have an outbound session also for the Gaveliers, so it would be rather interesting.
So guys, do join the Gavel Club, and thank you very much, Farha, and I wish you all the very best. Well, we have come to the end of the preliminary rounds of Oration 2016. It was a massive success, and we, the FOSS Media team, the official media unit of the University of Colombo Faculty of Science, will see you guys soon with the next stages of Oration 2016. Goodbye, guys.